Some other controls to note. Clicking the pencil icon here makes the input text editable again. And you can then analyze the edited version by hitting the Re-Explore icon. Hitting the X clears the sentence so you can enter a new one from scratch. You can control the visibility of various elements in the sentence explanation with some switches accessible with this control at the bottom. Click on the plus to show the switches and flick them to turn on or off various parts of the display. You may want to do this to present challenges to yourself, say by turning off the parts of speech or English translations and trying to guess what they are. We plan on making a challenge mode like this a fully supported part of Explorer in the near future.